runs on fossil fuels. It emits carbon dioxide and as such contributes to global warming. Millions of years ago, algae and plants were taking up carbon and producing oxygen. When they died and got buried under heavy layers of sediment, they transformed into fossil fuels. Burning these fuels today causes a net increase of carbon dioxide in our atmosphere. As fossil fuel reserves get used up, we're searching for alternatives. New fuels can be developed from food crops like maize, sugarcane, sugar beet and rapeseed, all of them absorbing carbon and balancing the carbon cycle. However, these first-generation biofuels are controversial. Many crops are needed, which require a lot of land and water for irrigation. This competes with traditional food stocks and drives the prices up. As an alternative, second-generation biofuels have been investigated. These are being derived from wood, left over from forest harvesting or wood processing. This, however, is a complicated method that requires a lot of land and is still not economically viable. Today, scientists are looking at algae as a new source for biofuels. They grow really fast. They contain lots of fats for oil extraction. And they clean the water in which they grow. Their components can also be applied in medication, animal food, cosmetics and fertilizers. Despite these advantages, no commercially viable algal biofuel industry exists to date. This is because the technology is so complex and difficult to standardize. It is difficult to know which species to grow and how to cultivate them. Harvesting techniques need to be improved, and once harvested, the fats need to be extracted from the cells and converted into oil. These complex and expensive processes can only be profitable when used for different products at the same time. And this is why researchers are now investigating algae. Once oil extraction will be optimized, large-scale bioplastics production will be easier too. The Algal Microbiome Friends and Foes is a European innovative training network where PhD students from all over Europe are investigating the characteristics of different algae and their interactions with other organisms. For more information, please visit www.msc-alff.org.